078. Good morning, 10-11 with international to Krasnoyarsk request.
Nearly every moment, thousands of airplanes carry out takeoff and landing at many airports in the world. And all passengers, their relatives and aviation employees are always interested in one important question, that is the flight safety. To understand how significant the flight safety is, it's worth remembering the numerous cases in the history of world navigation when air crashes and even aircraft collisions occurred, the possibility of which was 1 in a million. However, they occurred, resulting in the death of many passengers. So, to prevent such accidents and to provide a safe flight, many technical provision systems are used, which include surveillance sources, radar data processing and displaying systems, ground-ground and air-ground communication systems, including satellite communication systems and ground navigation aids for aircraft.
Thank you very much.
In the Republic of Armenia, alongside the development of civil aviation, the work of air traffic control has also been improved. Armenian Air Traffic Services, as a separate closed joint stock company, was founded 15 years ago, and since then it has noticeably developed in all respects. 15 years ago, getting separated from Zvartnots International Airport, Armenian Air Traffic Services Closed Joint Stock Company was founded. The company was created in order to develop the domain and to make it fully compatible with the international standards, as at that time all the operational procedures were still carried out according to the former Soviet Union rules and documents. From 1997 to 2004, in that short period, the company was able to make its operational procedures compatible with the ICAO requirements. The transition work to the newest base became the most important guarantee in 2006 for the affiliation to Eurocontrol organization for the safety of air navigation to meet the pan-European high criteria. In 2004, a global transition was made from Soviet normative legal base to ICAO International newest base, which was the result of the 6-month big job started in 1999. Since 2006, Armenia has become a full member of Eurocontrol organization, and at present the company acts according to the organization's requirements as well. Armenian Air Traffic Services Company provides air navigation service within the whole Armenian airspace. The air navigation service provided by the company includes several basic directions. The main is the air traffic control or air traffic control service, the primary objective of which is to prevent collisions between aircraft and provide their safe and efficient conduct. The next direction is the provision of aeronautical information service, the task of which is the collection, development and dissemination of the whole information needed for the flight operations within the Armenian airspace. Such information, besides providing rules and procedures for the flights carried out within the Armenian airspace, also includes cartographic, topographic, meteorological and other necessary data. It goes without saying that the flight safety is inseparably connected with the weather. Aircraft flights are safety is inseparably connected with the weather. Aircraft flights are affected by phenomena such as temperature, air pressure, wind direction and speed, clouds quantity, type and height, precipitation, and so on. One of the meteorology branches is the aviation meteorology, the major objective of which is the provision of flight safety and the effective application of the aviation technology in different weather conditions. This is the first meteorology course in Armenian for the air traffic controllers. I have made up this material using a number of books, illustrations, charts, which make the course more impressive for study. During the elapsed years, big construction works were carried out by the company. Pursuant to Armenia's international liabilities, the whole technical base has been fully modernized. A new building has been constructed in Gyumri, and the air traffic service has been moved there. The working conditions and equipment here give a great advantage to control the air traffic. Everything we see here, the new building, the modern equipment, is the effort of Armenian Air Traffic Services Company. We use P3D system of Czech production for air traffic control, which in the world was first tested and installed in Armenia. It is divided into two parts. One is located in the territory of Zvartnots Airport, the other is in Gyumri. With the help of this system, regardless of the complicated terrain, any aircraft is visible in the Armenian airspace. A new air traffic control tower has been put into operation, which gives the air traffic controller a possibility to control the flights with 360 degrees view of the airfield environment without radar surveillance system. This is a modern building with the most contemporary technical equipment and digital communication means which fully comply with the European criteria. Since 1997, the year our company was founded, we have done a great job to develop the air traffic service, and if in 1997 there were 20-30 overflights per day, then today it is more than 130. Having routes is one question, but to provide en route service is another issue, which requires the most contemporary technology, good specialists, to make our airspace more attractive for air companies. Today we have reached the level, and the most modern equipment is installed here, and the development is still in progress.
Уже в 2000 году мы
By the year of 2000, we had already modernized our air traffic control center, and French Cjsc ATM and communication digital systems had been installed. In 1999, we joined the Eurocontrol program on the harmonization of all the ATC procedures and all the technical equipment. That was a great step in the increase of competence of our personnel, and after that we worked out a 5-year strategic plan on the modernization of the equipment. We are on one of the tops of Terenis mountain range, 2,861 meters high from the sea level. Here is installed the surveillance radar station used for the Armenian airspace. Now we can see antennas, the data from which reach the controllers in Zvartnots Airport within seconds. More than 180 air companies use the Armenian airspace. The service is provided by this equipment and is transferred to Zvartnots Airport, which is 40 kilometers far from here. So this apical is chosen in order to have the whole view and also be able to provide service for the aircraft using the Armenian airspace. Now we are on the site of the en route surveillance system. The system was put into operation in 2000 and was modernized in 2011. Our requirements have also been changed alongside the development of technology. It concerns the precision of airplane detection, the information update, that is to say, at present we have information update every 7.5 seconds. It means we receive data about the object every 7.5 seconds instead of the previous 10 seconds, and the precision has also increased.
ապահովման հարցերին
The management of Armenian Air Traffic Services Close Joint Stock Company pays great attention and gives priority to the flight safety issues. It is the primary among other issues.
ապահովման հարցը դա մեր համար առաջին հարցն է։
В этом году нас заключен
This year, we have also signed a contract to purchase a new voice communication digital system, which will have completely new interfaces pursuant to Eurocontrol standards. Considerable works have been carried out in the field of the aeronautical information. The company is one of the first which has digital information service. It includes all the information for operating flights within the Armenian airspace and is practically applied in more than 50 countries and a number of air companies of the world. A quality management system has been introduced into the Aeronautical Information Service, which since 2005 has been certified with International Standards Organization 9001-2000 quality certificate. In the direction of quality and safety improvement, since the beginning, special attention has been paid to the training of the human resources. Great attention is paid to English proficiency in Armenian Air Traffic Services Company. Armenian air traffic controllers have level 4 in English proficiency, and they can communicate in English with the pilots of foreign air companies flying through the Armenian airspace and provide corresponding service.
Ինչ վերաբերում է մեր կարգավարներին, նրանք ուսուցում են անցնում
What concerns our controllers, they are trained in Prague and in Great Britain. There is an international requirement for them to have level 4 of English proficiency. To reach the level and to keep the professional competence, they do courses in Great Britain and Czech Republic. Our controllers take part in other courses as well. Twice a year, they pass medical examination because there are special requirements for their health condition. All this means that we always have to be alert and watchful in order to provide safe air traffic service within the whole Armenian airspace. For the company, the development is a consistent issue. At present, without exaggeration, we can say that Armenian air navigation complies with ICAO requirements and international criteria. In 2007, ICAO carried out a regular audit of Armenia's civil aviation whole system. According to the audit official report, in the civil aviation system, particularly in Armenian air navigation, the level of organization procedures of the normative legal base and flight safety monitoring has been highly evaluated. An audit was carried out by the international organizations in all European countries, and I would like to mention that Armenia won the first place as a result of the 5-year audit.
Եվ այս 15 տարվա ընթացքում այնպիսի հաջողություններ, որը մենք ունեցել ենք նավիգացիայի բնագավառում.
And for these 15 years, we have achieved a great success in the field of air navigation, in the respect of flight safety, aviation security, and the training of professional staff. The progress is obvious. And it is not accidental that on the occasion of the 15th anniversary of Armenian Air Traffic Services, ICAO has taken a step to evaluate the progress of the company. Pursuant to the requirements defined by the government of the Republic of Armenia, this year a quality management system has been introduced, which in case of meeting other defined requirements will become the base for the company's activity certification by the authorized body.
Գերությունը մասնակցում է միջազգային մի շարք
The company is involved in many international global programs where our company is represented in the person of corresponding experts, specialists, and we have reached such level that we can manifest ourselves in the international arena as a company with a unique operational system. Unanimously, within the frame of cooperation, we also cooperate with the Cjsc countries, and in this regard, I can say that Armenia is ahead and a company with the best European international experience. Coming from Armenia's geographical position and the single European sky requirements, the company also cooperates with the neighboring countries. 15th anniversary is a really serious event for us because after the collapse of the Soviet Union, in all the newly created republics, air navigation enterprises were founded and fully formed with an interval of several years. Our company was founded in 1997, and every year we celebrate this day. But this 15th anniversary is a special one, and taking the advantage of this opportunity, I want to congratulate all the employees of our company on the occasion of the 15th anniversary, wishing them success, new acquisitions, and safe airspace. In other words, Armenian Air Traffic Services, in its 15-year existence, has really become one of the first-class enterprises in the region and been able not only to keep the obtained inheritance, but also develop and raise to the international level, providing new quality progress.
Good morning,